Hello, my name is Krisshav and I'm going to 6th grade. The name of my project is called Treasure Hunt. The goal of this project is to find a treasure in the grid. There are 3 parts to this project. The first part is to read the key, which consists of 4 colors: red, green, blue, and yellow. It knows which color is which by the white in between. There will be numbers which the colors will be assigned. The second part is where the robot reads the map. The map consists of the 4 colors in 8 spaces. Whatever color it is, it will be the value from the first part. The first number and the 5th number will make coordinates for the treasure. The final part is where you put the robot on the grid and you use the coordinates to move towards the treasure. Some cool technical facts are that I use arrays. Arrays are variables that can store more than one value. I also use encoders so I can have perfect 90s. The way I got perfect 90 is by the encoders per degrees times 90. Also, I use the color sensor to find the value for the color. Also, I use a lot of for loops for the project to make it a success. Finally, I made a grid system so I could find the treasure. The duration of this project was 3 days. Some problems I encountered was one, that my light values changed while they were moving and while the robot was still. The way I solved that problem was displaying my light values while I was moving. Another problem was that the turns and movement were not working. The way I solved that was that I revised this by statement and fixed it. The final problem was that it was drifting. To fix that, I increased the motor that was slow so it's equal. The process I used was to write 3 floaters for each part, to implement the code into code, and finally debug it. I was puzzled about how to write the code for the second part. If I had more time for this project, I would like my robot to go to the next treasure after it's finished with the first, without me picking it up and placing it down. Now time for the demo.
to